why I'm choose this Balsa Degree College? Because in Balsa Degree College, the management provided for the CRT for the students, because the management provide for the communication skills for the students. In CRT classes, so many students are get the jobs. That's why I'm chose the Balsa Degree College. In first sem, my best lecturer is Chandrasekhar sir, because Chandrasekhar sir how to manage the communication skills and how to change your attitude, and he said to me, and in past days I don't know about the society. When I joined the CRT section, the Chandrasekhar sir said to the casteism and NCA and NCA Act and CA Act, and on that time I read the newspaper, and I follow the Twitter and Facebook, mainly social society, and next principals are provided the CRT, because the principals are serve the students, and he always thinking about the good future for the students. That's why principal sir is the best in Balsa Degree College.
Swaroop, now I want to say about the Balsa Degree College. Actually, I had chosen this Balsa Degree College because of my sister. She only said that actually this Balsa Degree College is the best college in the Machilipatnam to get the job and to get the degree. That is the reason why I had chosen the Balsa Degree College. Actually, this management provides the good facilities and which are useful to the students, and how to they teach everything to the student about the society and about the studies and about their life. They always think about the future of the students, and by thinking about the future, they are giving the CRT training, which is useful for the communication skills. My favorite lecturer is our CRT sir, Chandrasekhar sir. My favorite lecture is when I was studying in the intermediate, there was a chemistry in this college. When I was in this college, my favorite lecturer is Kalyani madam, because she always teaches maths in a simply manner. Actually, I don't know how to solve the problems, and I don't know any maths. Literally, I always gain less marks, and I always fails in the maths subject. But I had scored a little bit more marks only because of this Kalyani madam. She teaches in a simple manner, and her teaching will be in a superb way. She gives the explanation about the problems in a our principal sir Jagdish sir is the principal of our Balsa Degree College. Actually, he is a very good person. He forgive everyone when we made any mistakes also. He is a good-hearted person. He always tries to provide a good and the best teaching and best facilities to every student, and by thinking all those things, now I want to say about CRT. This CRT class is provided only in the Balsa Degree College. While coming to this Machilipatnam, the CRT is not provided in any other colleges. Only this Balsa College is providing the CRT classes. These CRT classes are useful to gain communication skills, and which gives about the information about the society, and we can learn about the communication skills also. Complete, and we can know about the communication skills also. We can say now the communication skills and English, only these skills are very required for to gain the job. So these skills are mainly given to every student in the Balasai Degree College. That is the reason why CRT is provided in the Balasai Degree College. They concentrate on mainly on the communication skills. Only by the communicating with others, we can know how the society is and how the other person is thinking about us, and how the others are thinking. And our CRT is taught by the Chandrasekhar sir. He is the best teacher. He always thinks about his students only. He thinks about their future also. By thinking about their future, he always rectify the mistakes which are done by the students, and he want to make all the students in a good manner and in a perfect way. So he always struggles to make his students in a wonderful way, in a great manner. Finally, my conclusion is the Balasai Degree College is one of the best college in the Machilipatnam. But the college may be good, may be bad, but the teaching and other facilities which are provided by this college are very well for this Machilipatnam.
Hi friends, I joined in Balasai Degree College because I consulted my brother-in-law and he joined me in Balasai Degree College. In this college, we have more facilities and we have mainly CRT. In this CRT, they provide communication skills and they have good faculty in this college, and we can learn more things about the society also. In this college, mainly CRT provides communication skills, aptitude and other reasoning, and there are interviews also in this college. So I joined in this college. In this college, faculty are very good. In my point of view, my favorite lecturer is Kalyani Madam. She teaches maths subject very well, and if there is any doubt, she explains in a easy way, and she can tell any problem in a easy manner, and I like her way of telling. And Jagdish sir is the principal of this Balasai Degree College. He wants to do service for the students, and he is backbone of this college, and he always want to serve the students, and he want to give more points to the students. And mainly in this college, CRT is the best. In this CRT, we can learn communication skills, and we can face any interview by having communication skills. So communication skills are important, and these communication skills mainly provided in this college only. No other college had been providing CRT or communication skills classes in any other colleges. Only this college provides. So CRT also very important in this college, and this CRT was taught by Chandrasekhar sir. He explains very well, and if there is any mistake in the students, he can rectify doubt in an easy way, and his way of thinking is very good, and he can tell more about. He had more knowledge about the society and all. He can explain us in an easy way, and he can taught us very well. Finally, my conclusion is Balasai College is one of the best college in Machilipatnam. If we studied here, we can have a better future in our life.
College is very good college in our locality, and it provides so many facilities for the students. It's provide good education to the students, and it provides CRT, and it take cares about children, students, and it can teach very well for the better, for good future for the students. And in this college we have so many experienced lecturers, and in that I like my electronics sir. His name is Sriram sir. He teaches very well. He teaches in a funny way. That class is very nice, and he teaches very good. He teaches students in a understanding way, and he prepared students well, better than other. And our principal sir is very good person. He provides so many facilities for the students. He give money when students want something, and he provides CRT for the students, and he wants to give students in a good right way. He provides jobs, multinational companies for the students. And I want to tell about CRT. CRT is very important for the students, and CRT sir was very good. Before this joining this college, I didn't know about CRT. I didn't know about CRT, but CRT sir was very good to the students. He teaches well, and he teaches social activities also. He knows everything, and he wants to make the children better to lead happy life in the society. And he give motivational speeches to the children. He solves so many problems when they are in a hard situation, and he gives so many prizes. And finally, this Balasai Degree College is very good in our locality.
The main reason of I joined in Balasai Degree College was this college provides a CRT program to the students. I didn't see this type of CRT program in any other colleges in near Machilipatnam. So I had chosen this college to get a good job in MNC. In present situation, I want to get a job in any MNC. So I had chosen this college, and this college provides us a CRT program. It helps me to develop my communication skills, and I developed my attitude and my body language, everything, and I gain so much of strength and capacity from CRT. And this college provides good faculty for learning new things, and also good faculty. So and next to my favorite teacher in this Balasai Degree College is Jagan sir. I learned so many things from him, not only for a subject and also professional life also. I learned so many things from Jagan sir, and also he can understand the mindset of every student, and he was giving small examples for big questions. And Principal sir was a kind-hearted person. He was always doing hard work for the students. He is doing always hard work for the students, and also I like the forgiveness of him. He always forgive the students. I know he was giving a lot of he is giving a lot of burden and lot of burden to the students. I know he is doing all those things for lack of students only, and he was always he is doing lot of work for the CRT students. And fourth, CRT program is giving lot of knowledge to the students. I learned so many things from Chandrasekhar sir. If I won't get any job in MNC, I confidently say that I will lead my life with successfully, because I gained so much of strength and confidence from CRT sir, and I learned about casteism and reservations. I learned so much of knowledge, general knowledge from him, and this CRT program helps me to develop my communication skills. And finally, I confidently say that I am the student of this Balasai Degree College, because I am learning so many things from this college. Thank you.
For coming to this college has good education, and the job provided by the principal sir. By this, many are showing interest to join in this Balasai Degree College. First, I came to this college and I consulted Vijay sir to have admission. Then he told that you can join in MPCS, because there are many seats in MPCS. It is a good course. But I listened to him and I joined in MPCS, and I got more knowledge in MPCS, and I changed my section into MECS. In that section, Maths, Electronics and Computer Science. Electronics taught by well teacher in this college, and principals in this college CRT facility also there, and it is a good college, and I like this college very much. And second, my favorite teacher is Electronics sir. He teaches subject in easy manner, and he always teaches something to know, and He teaches each and every question what is there in electronics. He tells properly. If he didn't understand, he tells 1, 2 to 3 times. And now principal sir is very good person. In C language, he teaches subject very easily, and he gives some works to home. By practicing and by learning, we can get the C language easily. So he trains each and every student to gain good knowledge and to develop to write any different types of programs in a different way. He always tries to tell about C language. Now CRT sir is very good motivator. He always motivates about to know about society and to know knowledge. You should have a good communication skills, and these communication skills only will change your life, and it will get good job in MNC. And he teaches very good, and he rectifies all our mistakes, and he trains us in a good manner, in a good way. We listen to these words, and we are developed because of the CRT. The CRT has provided many skills and societal knowledge also. Finally, my conclusion is this college is very good. If we didn't join this college, we can't get more knowledge also. So by joining this college, I get a good knowledge in this way.
Now I want to say about my college. My college name is Bal Sai. This is best college in Machilipatnam. This college provides many facilities for the students as like CRT training and aptitude. In this college, the management take care about the students. This management was not only teaching about the academics and CRT, this management teaches about the values and ethics. This college give more protection to the girls also. They continuously taking care about the girls. This is the main reason for the parents to study in the girls in this college, to join the girls in this college. And next, my favorite sir is Sriram sir. He is electronics sir. He teaches very well. He moves jovial in manner with students. He always try to mingle with the students, and he clarifies doubts in a easy manner, and he got more grip on the students because by mingling with the students, he can know about the students also. And my principal sir is good because in the Machilipatnam there is no one as like principal sir. He is the skeleton of our college, and he teaches C language in good manner. And sir, in financial way also, principal sir supports the students, and he just be like a friend with students. It is good way to interact with the students, and he never ignore others. If anyone scolds the students, he just treat them as a friends, and he solve the problems. And next is my CRT class. It is good way to know the communication and about the society also. By attending these CRT classes, the students must know the values, ethics, and what is the responsibilities in the society. And Chandrasekhar sir is good teacher in this college because he teaches about the society and how to lead our life in good manner. And finally, my conclusion is Bal Sai is good platform to reach our destination for the students.
Now I would like to say about our college Bal Sai. I chose this college with my brother supported me to join in this college because of there are so many facilities, like there is a CRT training which is useful for our life. By getting training from CRT classes, there is a chance to lead our life happily. And my favorite lecturer in this college is Max Madam. He teaches very well, and she teaches very well, and she teaches in a easy manner which is suitable for every student. And and we used to crack jokes on that teacher, but she didn't take seriously, and she moved in a silly way with and our principal sir is a good principal, and he knows every student's problem, because of nowadays so many members are facing so many problems without getting their jobs. Like that he think, and he provided CRT classes, which is and he bringing so many companies for job. And CRT, I want to say about the CRT class, Chandrasekhar is our trainer of our CRT class, and he trains everyone to, which is means to reach their destinations, and he taught everyone, he teaches so many problems which is going on, and he gave so many solutions how to face the problems, and in CRT section he motivates everyone, and he says so many problems and how to face the problem in the societies, and I like his training, and finally I conclude that this college is very best to lead our life happily.
Now I would like to tell about our college. Our college is Sri Balsai Degree College. I didn't see this type of college in anywhere. I like this college because Balsai Degree College provides so many facilities to students, and this college provides mainly CRT. CRT is useful for jobs, actually Balsai Degree College provides jobs in very big companies like Infosys, Deloitte, TLC, that type of TCS, that type of companies, and mainly Balsai Degree College taught values and ethics and values. I like this quality in Balsai Degree College. Actually other colleges doesn't provide or not providing jobs for students, but only Balsai Degree College only provides jobs for students. Balsai Degree College provides good faculty for students. In that faculty, I like Jagan sir. He is my computer sir. He explains questions very cool manner, and he has so much of knowledge. That knowledge shares. He shared that knowledge to me, and he explained so much of questions, and he helps in my examinations. And our principal sir, he is Jagdish sir. He teach C language in Balsai Degree College, and he is a backbone of Balsai Degree College. He has so much of knowledge, and he has so much of offers, but he works in only Balsai Degree College because of only for students and student jobs. And next one is CRT. I like CRT in this college because by the CRT we can get jobs in MNCs. In CRT, Chandrasekhar sir taught so many general knowledge things. Before I joined in this college, I didn't like reading newspaper and watching news. After joining this college, sir explained so much of general knowledge things, how to prepare oils, and he explained about casteism. I like him only for these points. Finally, in the Machilipatnam, Balsai Degree College is the best college for degree students.
I have learned so many things in this college. Before joining this college, I didn't know about CRT classes and these all things. My brother suggested me to join in this college, so I joined in this college. After joining in this college, I have seen so many things. The CRT sir teaching methods are very good, and this college is providing all facilities that college should have. And in this before joining this college, I didn't know how to talk in English and the techniques in talking in English. After joining in this college, I learned how to talk in English and the communication skills and the importance of body language, all these things. And now I think I am in a good position in talking in English and communication also. My communication is very good, and the students are in this year is also have very good communication skills. Those are performing very good in all this, and CRT sir is also providing Sunday classes. In Sunday classes there are so many sessions like seminars and aggressive speech and these all things. Seminar is for 10 minutes and aggressive speech and motivation speech, these are for 5 minutes. And there are some funny things also like dancing and singing. And the Sunday classes are very good. By that we are learning how to communicate with each other and participating in competitions with our friends. And in the principal sir is very good, and he is teaching C classes to all students. He is a very good lecturer, and he has the ability to control all the staff in the room. So I think this is a very good college to join, and if anyone asks to me about this college, I will suggest them to join in this college because these all things made this college great.
Ida sir. Okay. When I entered this college, I didn't know what is this faculty and how to give the education to the students. And I asked my sisters, because my sister studied in this college only. Then I asked her, she said to me, this college is very nice. Here faculty is very good. They give good education to us. That's why I joined this college. In first semester, I went to this college. I mingled so many members and I make so many friends. Before joining this college, I didn't have any friends, and because I am very shy to speak others, but I mingle easily my friends. And then here CRT class is very good because they give good motivation to us to speak and to communicate with others easily. CRT sir classes is very good because sir says some motivation speeches and what was going on the society. He tells what happened in the society, because you know what was happening in the society, because you are in future we want to live in society. That's why we should know the society. Then in Sunday classes is very nice. Sir gives some tasks to perform, because the task we learn easily English and we easily to communicate with others. And under Sunday competitions, some entertainment programs also conducted. It's dance or singing. On that sports we have learned tenses also, because sir thinks not only education is important, other curricular activities are also important. That's why sir conducting so many entertainment programs. In our class, principal sir is very good. He thinks give good future to students. That's why he put so many rules and regulations, because sir feel students are our children. That's why he want to give more education to us. And the faculty is also very good. The faculty give good education to us and good education. Principal sir control all the management, because the principal thought students' education is very important our future. That's why he mingled with so many companies to get job opportunities to students, and he teaches C language very well. So that's why I like principals are very well. And then coming to Sunday classes is very nice, and some principals are take some extra classes in C. It is because they want to give good education to students. In some Sunday classes, we learn so many tenses, tenses is very useful to communicate with others. Communication.
Hello friends, good afternoon everybody. My name is Durga Prasad Nanduri. Now I want to say about Balsai Degree College. Balsai Degree College is the one of the popular college in the Machilipatnam. College also provide a CRT section. But the main cause of I had joined in this college because CRT only. My sister suggested me to join in this college for better education, and not only better education but also we can know the values and ethics and values to gain the knowledge, and it is a good knowledge it is a good to join in this college, and faculty is a 40 years experience faculty are also 40 years experience faculty are also set the lessons, teaching the lessons, and but also they can improve our knowledge. And now I want to faculty. My favorite faculty is Chandrasekhar sir and Kalyani ma'am. Sir taught that good lessons to us, and he give motivation speeches to us, and not only motivation but also a confidence in the life, how to lead our life after 3 years, whether you didn't get job or not, it is secondary. First you will learn the communication, so that's why he is the one of my favorite faculty. And second one is Kalyani ma'am. She always taught about the students, and she always thinks that how students are learned by maths, and she any tough problem she can solve that. A good motivator, and she also a good motivator. She teaches us in a good lesson. And third one is principal sir. In Balsai Degree College, principal sir is Jagdish Babu sir. He is a motivator. He teaches the C language. He saw many problems in his life, but finally he lead the success. In past we are facing problems, but in the future we will get the success in our life. Like that, he always motivates to us, and he can do anything for the students. He has a more offer. Many of us came to him, but he neglected the toppers, and he sacrificed his life for the students only. Not only students, he also thinks about the faculty. Is a good faculty are working or not. It is a good habit to improve this like that. About CRT is in this Machilipatnam. We have our college only provide the CRT section, and the mainly CRT section was taught by Chandrasekhar sir. He is a motivator, and he is a skill proved person. Not only he is not a motivator, he also motivates whether when you got any problems, and he can say that how can you solve that problem in any way. And not only teaching, he also gives the motivational speeches to us, and in the confidence. When did he give a motivation speech, we gain the strength and the confidence. In first sem, he didn't come on the stage because with the fear only. After he had taught the speech, motivation speech, I felt very happy, and I had a confidence to to said anything on the stage. And finally, my conclusion is in the Machilipatnam is one of the popular colleges, Balsai Degree College. When you join this college, definitely you should take the CRT section in this college.
I want to say about Balsai Degree College. In this college, management provided CRT class for the students, and in this management provided so many facilities for girls. And in CRT, we can electronics sir. He is Sriram sir. He teaches electronics very well, and he teaches so many things for us. And I got 100 out of 100 in electronics for him only. Without him, I can't get any good marks in electronics, because in intermediate we didn't have any electronics subject. In this electronics, I can learn more things. And principal sir teaches very well. He teaches C language, and he provided so many facilities for students. He motivates us in a good manner. He taught very well. He taught very well in C language. In CRT, I learn more things. CRT sir motivates us, and before coming to the degree college, I didn't know about English. I didn't know about English. For the CRT sir only, I talk in English. He teaches us in a good manner, in easy way. He motivates us in life situation also. He motivates us, and he teaches us how to behave with others, and how to lead our life. And finally, my conclusion is Balsai Degree College is best college in Machilipatnam.
About Sri Balsai Degree College. Before joining in this college, I didn't know about this college, but I inquired before joining in this college. I inquired some people. They said the college was going good, and the things that the college will provide will be good, and there will be nice teaching staff like that. Then I joined in this college. After joining in this college, I learned so many things. I watched so many. I learned so many things. Mainly, I learned communication skills. Before joining in this college, I didn't know the value of the communication skills. But after joining in this college, I learned the communication skills, and after joining in this college only, I know about the value of the communication skills. And according to my favorite academic lecturer, is Jagan sir. He came for to teach computer science for our first sem. He teaches very well. He always supports us. He tells us very well. He has good talent. He supports us very well. He gives us 100% support in every time. He didn't scold us when we are disturbing the class also, and he gives support. If we ask any doubt in any time, he used to clarify us, and he has good talent, and always he used to say about the importance of about the subject only. According to the principal, our principal is a good motivator, a good C trainer, and a good person. He knows the value of the communication skills and technical skills, the role of communication skills and technical skills playing nowadays. He always motivates us, and he teaches the technical skills very well. Mainly in C, he teaches the C very well, and as a principal, if we are in any need for our growth, he always helps us, and if we are neglect the studies, he will motivate us and tells us the value of the subject. And now I want to say about the CRT section. Before coming to college, I didn't know about the CRT section, but after coming to that to the college, I know what is the value of the communication skills. The communication skills are playing a major role nowadays. By communication skills only, we can get a job and we can express what's our opinion. In CRT, there is so much difference between academic and CRT. In CRT class, each and every minute is important. Every day we learn something and a new thing. The CRT lecturer who comes to teach us is Chandrasekhar sir. He teaches us very well. He used to train us in a good manner, and he tells us about the value of life and what is our mindset, present mindset, and he used to motivate us about the class. Finally, my conclusion is Balasai College is the best college in the Machilipatnam. If you do hard work and if you are correct, it will helpful to you. Thanks.
About this college, this college name is Balasai Degree College. In this college, so many facilities are provided by principal sir, and in this college mainly CRT section is provided. For this CRT section, so many students get so many jobs in MNCs like Infosys, Deloitte, etc. This college is providing so many facilities like principal sir or management was providing CC cams. For these cameras, students are not did some mistakes. Without cameras, students are doing so many bad things. Without doing that bad things, our management was providing CC cameras. For that cameras, every student would get the very strict and perfect way. And in this college, rules are very good. And if any person is doing mistake, they tell to rectify their mistake. And the sir was good. He tells so many good things like he gives motivational speeches, principal sir, and so many good facilities are providing in this college. If you read well in this college, you confirmly get a good job in this college. You used this opportunity in correct way. You get confirmly good job in MNCs like that. And next thing is our faculties are very good and they teach very well lessons and they clarify the students' doubts. And mainly CRT section is provided. For this CRT section only so many members gain communication knowledge, etc. And with the help of communication skills, you get a chance to face interviews like that. And this college is very good and providing so many facilities to the students, and timings are very good. And principal sir was giving motivational speeches in any free time, and he gives some projects to the students for development of their brain like that. So this college is very good in my point of view. So many positive things will be happened in this college like that. And next thing is my favorite teacher is Kalyani madam. She explains every maths problems very well, and she clarifies the doubts to every student. And she is very sensitive, and she explained every the maths in the maths sum in the classroom. She take care about every student in the class. She always try to pass the exams in maths.